Provinciano. Happy Thursday and happy Thanksgiving sa inyong lahat. So papunta kami ngayon sa aking mga in-laws. Doon kami magsa-celebrate ng Thanksgiving. Pero 1:37 PM pa lang. Kasi merong mga gagawin doon si Mr. Kaya sobrang aga namin. But we're gonna do dinner, right? It's like
Late lunch, early dinner.
parang yung ganun. Late lunch.
Dinner or lunch.
Late lunch, early dinner. So, ang nag-prepare ng pagkain ng aking biyanan. So, wala kaming kahit anong dinner. Why are we not, taking any food at all? It's just all your
Bring the
mother.
babies.
Yung mga bata lang daw ang dala-dala namin. So, ayun. Yun lang ang aming, simple lang naman ang aming celebration ng Thanksgiving. Last year, did we celebrate Thanksgiving? We did not, right? We celebrated it
They
a week
were
after.
gone. They were in like Arizona or something.
Ayun. Nandun kasi yung aking mga biyanan sa sister-in-law ko. Tapos, and you have work on Thanksgiving. You can't remember. You have work. So at least ngayon, wala siyang pasok. And ayun, makakapag-celebrate kami ng mismong araw ng Thanksgiving. So ayun lang aming agenda for today. Samahan niyo po kami. So dito na kami guys sa aking mga in-laws. Andito lang kami nakaupo sa unahan ni Zeta. Ay ni Zelda pala. Tsaka si Mr. Kasi dito lang naman kami sa paikot-ikot sa property ng aking mga biyanan. So okay lang naman na wala siya sa kanyang car seat. Ayan si Mr. Si Zeta andun sa likuran.
Oh, I did this wrong.
Is Zeta in her car seat?
Yeah.
Or she's just sitting
She's
there?
just sitting, but we're not going anywhere.
She's just sitting there.
We're just going right over here. We're not going.
Baby Zeta. Hi everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. This little bunny bear. Are you a bunny bear? A bunny and a
I
bear?
think this bamboo is already dead.
Huh?
This bamboo is already dead. It looks like it's.
Dead?
That's what it looks like.
Yung mga...
Stay here and try not to be too bored.
So, ayun lang yung aming drive. Ang lamig kasi sa labas. Akala ko yung temperature is okay lang ngayong araw. Kasi yung nakita ko kahapon, nagbago siya. Parang 12 degrees Celsius. Akala ko 12 degrees Celsius. Pero hindi. Feels like 0 degrees Celsius. Parang 4 ata. 4. Feels like 0. Hi, Zeta! Say hi to the camera. Zeta! Tinitingnan niya yung dadaan niya. What is that? Knock, knock door. It's not a door. It's not a door. Say hi, camera. Hey, 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 hey. Stay there. Right now. Are you gonna drive? Are you going to drive? Are you gonna drive? Just sit there ha. Don't press anything. Ay, ay! Ano ba yan? Maunahan pa yata ako ni Zaytang matuto mag-drive. Are you driving? Are you driving? Balik ko itong So kayo everyone, kumusta ang inyong Thanksgiving? Saan kayo magse-celebrate? Parang isa to sa pinakamalaking celebration dito sa USA, Para siyang Christmas sa atin. And yung talagang pine-prepare nila dito is turkey. Tapos, napansin ko sa turkey nakakaantok siya pagka kinain nyo. Kayo ba? Napansin nyo ba yun?
My baby.
What are you gonna do? She's driving. She wants to drive.
Go to your chair. Actually, you know what? Wait,
Just
baby.
let
There's a spot. Zeta has a spot. What about Dada?
She wants to drive. Oh, here. We're gonna be sitting here. Dad is gonna drive. Do you know how to drive? Ito talaga See? Hey everyone, I want to drive. Even if I'm just a toddler, I want to drive. My two pretty babies. Yay! We're going. Just gonna be driving around your Grandma Mimi's property. See? We're already here. We're already here. Hi, pretty Zelda and pretty Zeta. Are you gonna drive again? Don't touch the keys. No touching of the keys. Ang hirap pag meron kang toddler and newborn. Pero kaya pa naman. Kinakaya pa naman. Wala ka naman choice kundi kayanin. And masaya naman siya. Fulfilling ang pakiramdam. Right, Zeta? Say hi, everyone. Hi, camera. You say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. How about you, Zelda? Can you say hi to the camera? Hi. You have a lot of spit. What? Zeta. So, sa mga bago po sa aming channel, ito yung kung saan nakastay, nakatira yung mga kabayo ng aking biyanang babae, ng aking mom-in-law. Ayan, ang laki niya. Pero dalawa lang yun dalawa yung kabayo niya. Equestrian kasi yung aking biyanan. Zeta, be careful ha. Likot ni Zeta. Naantay namin si Mr. Hi everyone, my name is Zelda Angelica. How about Zeta? What's your name? Are you Zeta Celestia? Zeta Celestia and Zelda Angelica. But Mama, what is Mama's name? What is Mama's name? Say Michelle. Michelle. Don't know Mama's name? Huh? Cutie Pie Zelda. Goodbye. You playing with the Cutie Pie Zelda? Si Mr. kanina, pinaplansya ko tong damit ko. Itong jumpsuit. Kasi sobrang gusot niya. Tapos, ang hirap niyang plansyahin kasi yung tela. Na-plansya ko yung kamay ko ito sa may part na to. Pero hindi naman kasi ganun kainit yung plansya and sandali ko lang siya na ganun sa kamay ko. Pero masakit pa rin. Sabi niya, you are living in this area of Connecticut, which is the countryside, so nobody cares if you are wearing something that's not ironed or something like that. Masyado siyang gusot, ang pangit naman tingnan. Ang pangit lalo na pagka sa sa video. Ang pangit talaga tingnan kasi super gusot na gusot na gusot. Hindi siya talaga acceptable. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, even if we are living in the countryside, if you've seen how wrinkly this jumpsuit is, you would complain. Or you would agree with me that I should iron the clothes. Pero siya talaga kasi hindi siya nagpapaplansya ng damit. Pero yung mga damit niya kasi is hindi gusutin. Ako bihira naman yung mga damit ko na gusutin. Ito lang talaga ang jumpsuit na to. Kaya hindi ko to sinusuot. Medyo matagal ko na itong nabili sa Shein, pero hindi ko pa rin siya sinusuot. Normally kasi pag bago sinusuot ko agad eh. Ganun ako. Sayang naman kasi kung i-stock mo lang tapos hindi mo isusuot. Kasi nga tinatamad ako magplansya. Ngayon sabi ko, suot ko na nga. Oh no!
See why I didn't want to bring it in the house?
Yeah, there's so... You like it, baby?
Oh, can you fix this? Good.
She did it. Wow.
Wow, look at you go.
Play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me?
Ayan, pasok na kami guys dito sa
I'm the
aking
one who's always sorry.
sa bahay ng aking mga biyanan. Dapat magwo-walking kami muna dyan sa may forest. Tapos sobrang lamig. Lalamigin si Zelda. Very ang weather ngayon. Hindi pang bata. Hindi pang baby. Sobrang ginaw. This is a baby.
What's Mama doing?
This one might be fun.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Oh, that was
She
a big one.
puts a hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Lalaro sila ng bubbles na aking biyanan.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
So, andito kami sa may kitchen, guys. Natatakot kasi si Zeta sa kanyang grandpa. Bira niya kasi makita. Wow, he's scared of your grandpa. Natatakot siya. Umiiyak. La la la. La la la. Dance, dance. Can you dance? Dance, dance, dance.
One way or another. Captain,
Cheers. You show them your new books? Can you show them your new books? Cheers.
they don't feel that
Cheers.
tap of the rod. It's
Let's go cheers.
So we just stay there and eat.
Cheers.
He watches the rod go like this. For the fish lovers. That's a nice one. Huh? Oh yeah.
Cheers.
You need to wait. It's
Binigyan na naman ang aking biyanan ng mga bagong libro si Zeta. Ang dami. Ayun. Tapos ito. Yeah, I have a lot of books. And Wake up. Cheers. Cheers.
do like, you know, sideways. Now listen.
So yan ang outfit ni Zeta. Parehas kaming naka-jumpsuit. Pink nga lang sa akin, sa kanya green. That's your new books. So ito yung table. Pin-repair na ng aking mom-in-law. Pero hindi pa siya tapos magluto. Ang dami niyang na-prepare na pagkain. Paano namin maubos lahat yun? Si Zeta. Nagluluto pa siya. Galing-galing magluto ng aking biyanan. Alam niya na hindi ako magaling magluto. So, wala naman silang problema doon. And, kaya siya lagi yung nagluluto. Hindi nila ako inuobliga na mag-prepare ng kahit anong pagkain. Mahilig kasi siya talaga magluto. Happy birthday to you. It's not happy birthday to you. You say, Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Thanksgiving. Nakita niya kasi yung kandila. Sobrang bango nitong kandila na to. Ano kaya to? Tanongin ko nga. Ayan siya.
Hi. Where you going?
Come on. Zeta, don't go outside. It's cold. It's cold. Come on.
You're a good girl. Be careful.
Ay! Stand up. What kind of candle is this, Mom? It smells very good.
Oh, that's grapefruit. I think it said. It said grapefruit
Yeah, it
citrus.
smells very good.
Yeah, I just kind of found it on the shelf. I don't know where it came from.
of the fish. See, I missed that part. Oh, yeah.
This one is, but that is the result
What's
of
this?
a properly
Pink.
blended
Little
fish.
artist
So a
shields.
fish that big.
Wow.
Playing the guitar. He's playing the guitar.
Oh, I just happened to see a TikTok thing. And they had the apple slicer.
Baby.
Zelda looks cute. I don't know. So, nakauwi na kami, guys. And it's currently 6 p.m. Pero, syempre, dahil, pa-winter na. Ang dilim-dilim na. Gulo ng bahay namin. Yan, yung mga laruan ni Zayda nagkalat. Yeah, take off your jacket. Take off your hoodies. Take off your hoodies, please. Where would you put that? Where would you put your jacket? Right there. Right there. Yan. Ito si Zelda. Hi, Zelda. Hi, Zelda. Hi. Hi. Can we take off your binky? Ano?
Zayda to bed now.
Is-
What?
What is that? Hi,
You filmed
Zelda.
the video without.
They won't hear it. They were utot lang. Hi, Zelda. Ang dami namin uwing pagkain. Ang dami kasing nilutong pagkain ng aking biyanan. Hi. So, tapusin na po namin ang video dito, no? Matutulog na rin kami kasi almost bedtime na ng mga bata. Pero hindi ko alam kung matutulog sila agad. Although kumain sila ng turkey, sabi nga nila, and pansin ko rin talaga, nakakaantok siya. Kaya lang yung dessert kasi namin sobrang panis. And ang daming nakain ni Zayda. So, ayun, tatapusin namin po namin ang video dito. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Sorry, baby.
Love you.
Did you get that on camera?
No, it's down. They can't see it. Why? What happened? What happened?
Funny. Oh, funny.
Is that funny? Say bye-bye. Say happy Thanksgiving. Happy
You take it out.
Huh?
See her head?
Who? Zelda?
Where's Zayda? No, you can't see.
Can't
You missed it. It was fun.
Alright, thank you so much po ulit. Have a good night, everyone. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon, whatever. Bye! Zayda, say bye-bye to the camera. Say happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye-bye. I don't want to say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye. Bye. Can you give me her binky? Ano ba yung baby?